the Arduino Uno board, LCD display, the DHT11, jumper pins. Start connecting the LCD screen. Ground, everything is labeled on the LCD. Then we have VCC, which is your 5-volt power, and then the screen SDA and SCO. This goes into the 5-volt in your Arduino. I'm gonna put power on the breadboard. And SCO, I'm gonna go into A5. But ground, put it in the wrong spot. .5 volt. Plug ground into this ground over here on the Arduino. Get power off of the breadboard. Digital pin 2. Your Arduino. 5-volt power for everybody. So I'm getting my 5-volt off of the Arduino. Just plug in the Arduino. Now when I plug this red pin in, which is going to give power to everything, there you go. And hopefully, temperature, there we go. Temperature has updated. Now we have temperature and humidity. It takes a little while for the temperature to change, but I'm going to get this sensor as close to the ice as possible to get it in there deeper so that I don't electrocute myself. Now you can see the temperature dropping. It just dropped 1 degree. See if we can get it to drop 1 more degree. There we go. Now, if I apply heat, temperature should go up faster than the ice, faster than that cold went down. There we go, we're at 28 pretty quickly, 30.